Okay, true believers, we are here at Abenson's. Nasa Abenson's tayo, kuya. And we are buying a washing machine because our other washing machine, alam mo magkano yung sinasabi nila? 15,000 pesos yung repair. 15,000 pesos kasi kailangan palitan yung buong door, hindi lang yung maliit na part. Hindi siya pwede yung maliit na part. Yung buong pinto kailangan palitan. So sinabi ko, you know what? Bumili na tayo ng bago kasi hindi namin alam pag ginawa nila baka meron pang ibang sira. So we're here at Abenson's and we are buying this one. Yes, it's lower capacity, but for our small family, it's fine. We don't need a big, huge one. It's 8.5 kilograms, and check this out. For only 29,998 pesos, which is like $600. If the repair is $300, then it's better you apply the $300 to a brand new. And this time it's a Whirlpool, and we're picking it at Abenson, and they're delivering it tomorrow, right?
Yes, sir.
Bukas.
Yes, po.
And what was good? Oh, this one also is an inverter, right? So and it's only a washer. It's not a washer and dryer 2-in-1 with inverter. So it says right there, inverter technology. So that's what we just got. Yan ang binili namin ngayon, right?
Yes, sir.
And it's gonna be delivered tomorrow. So thank you, Abenson's, for saving the day. It's in stock. We don't have to wait months and months for it. And the boss can have her laundry being done by the washing machine instead of being by hand. Here at Appliance. Thank you, kuya.